Hey everyone, I'm Jade Pill, the Syntrax chef, and today we're going to be making some healthy Snickerdoodle protein waffles using our Matrix Snickerdoodle. Okay, so first we're going to add 4 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of Matrix Snickerdoodle protein powder. You're going to want to mix it all together really well. Then we're going to add 1 cup of this dry powder to all of our wet ingredients. And last, we're going to add 1 cup of milk, one teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 egg white beaten stick. To beat the egg white, it takes about 3 to 4 minutes with a fork, but you can always use an electric beater. Mix it all together. You want it to be a pancake batter consistency. Make sure you get all the chunks out. And then you're going to add it to a preheated waffle iron. And let it cook until golden brown. So I like a lot of maple syrup, so I'm going to go ahead and load her up.